how to fix your iPhone is stuck on a white screen. So if your iPhone is frozen or you're just seeing a white screen like this, then I'm going to show you two ways on how to go and solve this. So first thing you need to do is try power cycling the device. Now you can do this with a quick key combination. So we're going to tilt our phone onto its side like this, and then you're going to press the following keys. You're going to quickly tap the volume up button, quickly tap the volume down button, and then hold the lock screen button on the right hand side of your phone. Now you need to continue to hold this button down for around about 45 seconds. Eventually the iPhone screen will go completely black. Just continue to hold the lock screen button down and keep holding this down until you see the Apple logo appear. Once you see the Apple logo, you can release the lock screen button. You can then go and restart your iPhone, and you can check to see if the white screen issue has now been fixed. If it's still not working, there is one final solution. So what you need to do is grab a USB-C cable and plug one end into your iPhone and the other end into your computer or laptop. Now on your computer, you'll need to go and open up the iTunes app. If you don't already have this, you can download it completely for free. You'll then need to go and do the same key combination on your phone. So once again, tap the volume up button, tap the volume down button, and then hold the lock screen button on the right hand side. Now once again, continue to hold the lock screen button down until the black screen appears. Now continue to hold the lock screen button down, and eventually you'll see the Apple logo. This time, go and continue to hold the lock screen button until you see the recovery page on your iPhone. Now once you see the recovery page, you should get a pop-up on iTunes asking you to either update or restore. So you can first try using the update button, but if that doesn't work, you can always try restoring your iPhone, and that's how to fix the white screen issue.